Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're working on Mazda CX-7 here. You know that one that we got from an auction with engine replacement. Today guys, we'll show you how to remove the rear seat. It's a little bit tricky, but nothing to worry about, but we'll show you how to do it and how to install it after that. Okay guys, the car is a big mess, don't judge us. We haven't got to detail it yet. As you know, we just did the engine replacement and still fixing things, and when it's done, we're going to detail it next day. Okay, and the seat, it's pretty stuck. The rear seat, okay, it's pretty stuck. It doesn't come out with bare hands. You have to be really strong. If you get a screwdriver, okay, you can pry. There is a clip right there. Okay, and just pry up and the seat will come up. And there is one right there as well. Okay, and some of them are tight, believe me. I mean, if it's never been removed, you can even help it a little bit. Okay, you can see it's still stuck. Okay, came loose. So all you have to do now, just pick the front up, slide towards the front, and the seat comes out, guys, just like that. We're gonna take it out to detail it. It'll be much better to clean it outside than inside, so we can get to everything here, all the little, you know, spots that you cannot get to. And when you're ready to install it, you just get it in an angle. Let us show you how to do it. You need to make sure you have the seat belts up. Okay, and after that you need to get it in an angle, okay, like that, to go there. And you need to make sure, okay, that's where it locks. Let me show you, in those. It's two of them, one there and one right here. And you need to make sure that that metal piece goes in there, okay, like that. And you just pretty much jump on it until it locks. And this one is still not locked all the way on my side. So we'll need to press this one down, okay? Okay, like that. So that will be, guys, the whole procedure for removing rear seat. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.